Welcome to the Joyful Movement series powered by C60 Purple Power. We're combining the ancient art of Qigong and mindfulness to activate joyful living. In today's practice, we will experience a heart healing routine to release any old heartache. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon, and stay up to date at shopc60.com. To begin our heart healing Qigong practice, hands come to the heart center, breathing deeply in, feeling the electromagnetic field of the heart, inhaling, magnetizing, exhaling, electric, opening into a wide stance. We'll begin with a standing Qigong practice, rotating the arms so that the pinky lines are up, opening the pathway of the heart channel. Notice that the shoulder joint remains open, chest remains soft, and breath maintains balance at the heart so that the extension of the energy of the heart channel can open to release for the Qigong practice. Shifting directions, hands rotate to the palms, being up to the heavens. This tendon wrapping exercise opens the lung, large intestine channel to release and let go of any old hurt at the level of the heart. Activating these two channels to open the cardiorespiratory system, drawing energy back in, coming into a bow stance to the left, inhaling, fisherman pulls the boat, sinking to the opposite side, opening up to the right, inhaling, twisting, feeling that openness through lung and heart channels, drawing back to the center, and shifting bow stance between each movement. Chest remains open, heart remains expanded. Allowing for a gentle release through the chest to make more room for breath, more room for heart awareness. And more capacity for release. For our next movement, coming into a bow stance, inhaling, drawing energy into the heart, exhaling, pressing energy, pinky lines up. Inhaling, drawing, spiraling energy into the heart, sinking, weight moves forward. As we inhale, sinking back, weighting, turning, opening the chest, and continuing to open that pathway of the heart, drawing energy in and releasing, washing, giving energy back through the heart. Feeling that gentle shift of movement from front to back, magnetizing in and electrifying expression out. Shift to the opposite side, opening to bow stance on the right, Hands come up, pinky lines to the heavens. Inhaling, spiraling energy in as we sink. Exhaling, extending out from the heart. Inhaling, magnetizing, drawing energy back. Exhaling, weight shifts forward. Electric and magnetic. Giving and receiving. Opening up that natural pathway of the heart energy into the hands. This process of keeping the intelligence of giving and receiving at the heart open. Coming back into neutral stance, expanding through the heart and drawing, condensing energy in. Inhale, electric. Exhale, magnetic. Mind focuses on heart field, expanding, collecting, and condensing. Washing through the heart, weight shifts, back weighting, inhaling into the heart, exhaling, releasing any old hurt, resistance, or pain, washing through the spirit of the heart. Inhale as you back weight and turn, exhale back to neutral, inhaling and exhaling. Coming back in, collecting as three hearts become one, exhaling, washing through, clearing and cleansing, inhaling nature, heaven, exhaling, washing, grounding back into the earth. Inhaling new, vibrant, beautiful chi, exhaling, sinking, clearing, and releasing. We'll finish gathering energy in at the heart center and activating Conception Vessel 17. It's beautiful acupoint inner storehouse of light as the breath expands and opens up, feeling the inner beauty of your own light shining and illuminating through your being, opening up the heart center, lifting the spirit, and allowing that inner light to vibrantly express and shine through the heart. Hands wash to create warmth, washing the spirit, washing through the heart, and its influence on the spirit, cleansing and renewing, allowing that light to distribute through your being. Releasing and washing through heart channel, opening up that pathway from the physical heart through the energetic channel of the heart. And for open, vibrant expression of light through the heart. Finishing and settling in awareness at the heart, honoring gratitude, your process of life experience. Thank you for tuning in to the Joyful Movement series powered by C60 Purple Power. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, and stay up to date on all the newest releases at shopc60.com.